Good morning, everybody. My name is Chris Honig, and welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today, I'm going to be showing you the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. I'm going to start on the bow of this boat. It's a complete redesign for 2018. So a nice transformation of the bow with lots of seating up here. You have a underneath cooler pull-out storage, nice anchor locker with a swim platform, so you can get off, or swim ladder so you can get off the front. And then we're going to work our way in the back of the boat. This boat's outfitted with a nice ivory interior. You have your dual consoles all shifted over on the starboard side of the boat, which enables you to have a really nice space inside here. That's your pump out head, and then there's an option to have a nice little daybed area underneath there for the kids to get out of the elements. On the dash here, we got a nice Simrad 9-inch GPS chart plotter. All your digital gauges are going to be on there. Fusion stereo with Bluetooth speakers, and then you have a nice seating transformation in the cockpit here. All these seats are reversible pilot seats, so you can flip over and have your entertaining space here. And then one of Sea Ray's great redesigns is on the back of the boat. We have a nice seat that will go forward and backwards, so you can open up the cockpit of the boat or the stern of the boat. So right now your cockpit's open. Then when you're anchored at Mason's Inlet, you now have a huge swim platform space back here to entertain on the back of the boat where everybody's swimming and hanging out. This boat's outfitted with a nice gray sea deck and white ivory for the seating. And we have a upgraded Mercury white powder coated 250 Verado. Mercury also redesigned their whole motor inside and out last year, and it's been a very, very successful venture for them, and lots of torque, 30% more torque, a lot of fuel efficiency, better fuel efficiency, and a lighter motor. So it's a great outfitted boat for entertaining friends and family. It seats 13, so a lot of room for everybody's stuff and entertaining everybody. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our others, again, my name is Chris Honig, and you reach me at 910-617-3646. Thanks, and have a great day.